ColourPop came out with a Bratz collection and it is so freaking cute, but is it worth buying? Let's find out. Today I'm reviewing and trying on ColourPop's Bratz collection, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm really freaking excited about it. Okay, let's start off with going over everything that's in the collection, starting with the eyeshadow palette. Look at how cute this eyeshadow palette is. Ooh, oh my goodness, this is even prettier than I thought. Look at how pretty this is. I absolutely love these glittery ones. I don't know that I have anywhere to wear them, but I love this. I think they completely nailed the Bratz vibe here. This is so good. We have to go ahead and swatch all these because we need to see how pigmented they are. Passion for fashion. Ooh, that is so pretty. Here I was thinking there wasn't gonna be any pigment with this one because it's such a light eyeshadow color. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's keep going. She's iconic. Oh yeah, I freaking love that shade. Next is Sasha, like this gold sparkly color. That is crazy. Okay, yes. Wow, that is so pretty. I can't get over these. These are just like some of the nicest eyeshadows. Okay, let's do the next. That girl. Oh yeah. Okay, next is Yasmin, and it's like a really pretty lavender color. Yasmin, so cute. Next is Express Yourself, and I'm a sucker for any berry shades. Ooh, yes. Next, this one looks so fun. This is called Girls Night Out. I just know this is gonna be good. Oh my gosh. Girls Night Out. Yep. Oh my gosh, I love a good purple. Living It Up. Oh, baby, the purples are so pretty. Okay, next is Steppin' Out, and I just feel like this will be a really, really pretty purpley plum shade. So Stepping Out, yeah, that's the one. I think like that plum as a smoky eye would be so pretty. All right, now we got some of our neutrals. So this is Platform Heels, and it's like a gray color. Platform Heels. Tonight's the Night, and it's basically black. Really nice pigmented black. Okay, I think I'll love this one too. This is called Mini Skirt. Yes, that is so pretty. Again, another one, I think I'd use this all the time. Okay, and lastly, we have Jade. Wait, I missed one. Oh, I missed Chloe. Okay, let's come back to it. So this is like a turquoise color. Yep, okay. That's really intense. Okay, I don't know how I missed Chloe, so let's do that one really quickly. It's like a blue, icy blue, sparkly shade. Ooh, it's so cute. Put it at the bottom there. Gorge. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. When I saw this, I was like, oh, the colors are really fun and super cool and totally fit the theme. But now that I've swatched them, I love them even more. Like, I think this is stunning, and I actually think I'd wear a lot of these. So I'm really impressed with this. I love that they included matte, metallic matte, and even like those pearlescent shades into this collection. I think they did such a good job with it. The next thing in this collection is the individual hair and face crystals. I think these are really cute. I'm not sure that I'd wear them except for maybe Halloween, but I think my nieces will like these. So next they have two body glitters. These look really fun. I'm gonna open them up. So pretty. So there's a pink and a purple one. So there's a holographic purple and a frosty pink, and it says that there is butterfly glitter in them, which is really cool. Very chunky. So this is the pink one. Oh yeah. Body glitter is like so 90s, and I love it. Okay, it's actually insane how it reflects in the light. Okay, let's do the purple one so we can compare it. Oh my gosh, these are so fun. I just can't handle how sparkly they are and how they reflect in the light. So this is the purple one here, and then the pink one below it. Again, I don't know where you'd wear body glitter, but 10 out of 10 though, because I love it. Next is the So Juicy Plumping Gloss. This looks really fun as well. It looks like it has sparkles or real glitter in it. So let's see how this looks on. Ooh, that is juicy. The formula is really nice. It's thick, but it's not sticky at all. It's actually very comfortable, which I wasn't really sure what to expect, but it's definitely not sticky at all. Very comfortable, and I can kind of feel that tingling, minty sensation on my lips. Okay, looking up close, it looks like it has very tiny little glitter pieces in it, none of those big chunky ones. It says it's a sheer purple shade, but it really would just call it a clear gloss, which is totally fine. I like it. I think it's nice, and I just like that it's really comfortable to wear. Next, we have the BFF liquid liners. So one is in pink and one is in purple, so let's take a look at these. Okay, that's really cute. So this is the pink liner. Let's just swatch it on the back of my hands. Oh, I just thought it was gonna be like one of those pens that says it's pink, but it's very, very sheer. No, baby, this has got pigment. I'm actually really impressed with that. The color is perfect. I mean, I'm not sure that I'm gonna wear a pink eyeliner. Okay, let's do the purple one as well. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this. I just don't think I'm gonna wear this. These are like the perfect Bratz shades, so I totally get why they did this. And I saved the best for last, which is their lippy kits. These are so cute, so fun. I hope that they look good on because I'm obsessed with these. The fact that they made each one a different character is so, so cute. The hard part is, which one should we start with? I don't know. I'm just gonna do it randomly. Let's do this one first. This is Jade, and this lip kit is in shade Cool Cat. Looks like it's like a brown shade. Yeah, that's nice. That's really smooth. These lip pencils are super creamy and ultra pigmented. They're really nice. Okay, I love the shade of this lip pencil. Let's see how the lippy stick is. Ooh, interesting. It looks like a shimmery red almost. Okay, now I'm really interested to see what this is gonna look like. Oh, it is like a shimmery red. Okay, this is insanely pretty. I can't believe how much I like this. It's like a metallic red. Wow, this is so gorgeous. For Christmas time, I love this. The shade of this is perfect. Like, it's not overpowering. I just love that it has that metallic look to it. It's so fun and festive. I'm really impressed. I love the way this looks. Okay, this is going really well. Let's try the next one. Okay, I think I want to do this one next. So this is Sasha, and it looks like it's gonna be a really fun pink color. I'm so excited. Okay, I love a good pink, so let's see. The shade's really good. I already tell I like the shade of this because it matches my natural lip color. The thing I like about this is you don't know what the combo is gonna look like until you put on the lipstick, because the last one threw me off. Oh, I think it is metallic-y. Wow. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, this is like the perfect nude lip. I am obsessed with this color. I love a good nude lip. It's not actually metallic-y, which I thought it was gonna be. This is really pretty. I love the shade of this. This is like a perfect everyday nude lip for me. I love that they just made it a perfect neutral pink lip because I think this will look good on anyone. Okay, next up is Chloe, and it looks like it's a brownish, almost purpley plum color, so I'm excited to see this. We're 2 for 2 with the lip set, so I have high hopes. Yeah, it looks like it might be a deep plum shade. Wow, that's really pretty too. Honestly, I think ColourPop knows what they're doing when it comes to these because this is looking good. I just know I'm gonna love this. And it's a metallic-y one. It looks like a brown metallic. I just know it's gonna be good. Pigment on these is so good. The formula is really comfortable on the lips. Okay, well, this is unreal. I love the metallic lipsticks, I'm not gonna lie. I think that's pretty obvious. This is so good. The shade is interesting. Like, it is a bit dark for a lip that I'd normally wear. It's almost like a deep red. It's not plum at all, but it has like a copper look to it. It's dark. It is darker for a lipstick, so if you don't like that, you might not like this. I personally do really like it, especially for fall and winter time. All right, one more to go, and I have high hopes. So this is Yasmin, and her shade is Pretty Princess. I can't tell what shade this is gonna be. It looks very similar to the pink one that we tried on. I don't know, it looks very similar. I can't tell. Well, I'm not gonna lie, they completely nailed these neutral shades. It's really pretty too. I like this a lot. Okay, this looks like there might be some metallic in it as well. First swipe, let's see. Okay, that's really nice. It's like a light lilac color. It has a very subtle metallic sheen to it. Okay, wow, this is nice. This is really nice. Okay, I don't know what to say. I just thought, based off of the body glitters and the lip liners, that I might be underwhelmed or disappointed in these lip kits, but it's totally the opposite. They are absolutely super wearable, beautiful combos. And honestly, I couldn't say which one I like the most. I actually really like all of them, and I think I'll wear all of them. But let me know which of the 4 lip kits you like best. It's hard to say. It's really hard to say. They are all really pretty. Okay, we tried on everything in the ColourPop Bratz collection, and I gotta tell you, I love it. ColourPop does value so well. Their products are so affordable. If you are a Bratz fan, I could see you being obsessed with this. This is so much fun. Even for me, I didn't grow up with Bratz, but I love this. Themes are so fun, and I think they just did a really good job with it. Products I probably won't use are the body glitter, the liquid liners, and the gems, but I will definitely use the eyeshadow palette, all 4 of the lippies, such as Slay, and the plumping gloss was really nice. It's a very simple gloss, but it's very nice. Yeah, I think I'll definitely use all those products. The lip kits, though, were the hit home for me. If you are gonna get anything from this collection, I suggest the eyeshadow palette or any of the 4 lip kits. Such a good job by ColourPop. This was so much fun to review. I definitely wanna do more of these. If you like this and you wanna see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.